call it stock or material. And then we've got the plane selected at top. And nothing's happening over here at the tool paths, so we have level 4 activated. We're going to select wireframe. Let's look at these top menus here real quick while we're here. We got home. And there's some ways we can change the way it draws with this first group of icons. Here's some ones you'll use probably fairly regularly. Analyze entity and analyze distance. Sometimes you might want to double check the distance on something. These two buttons here are pretty common to use, frequently used. We've got the next one's wireframe. Think of wireframe as drawing. You're going to draw some lines on some papers. They call it wireframe. There's basic circle shapes, rectangles. This is just going to be a spline, random. Most of the time I'll do a straight line, circles, and rectangles. Later on, once you get the part drawn, we can fill it or chamfer. And there are more controls that we have. We have surfaces. The difference between, what do you think the difference between a surface and a solid might be? Surface and a solid.
There's compartments.
Well, think of your surface as your aluminum foil you put over your fish that you had last night for dinner. Your fish is a solid, the aluminum foil is a surface. That kind of makes sense? I'm trying to come up with an analogy.
So like the top of the part, like the face?
Yeah, so if we looked at this computer box and we put a piece of paper on the top, that piece of paper represents a surface. But the whole box is solid all the way through and through, so that's a solid. It's it has the surface is a shell. A solid is all the way through. What's that? Okay. And the one button that we'll use is a bit is transform. Basically we've got a basic shape and we want to just move it over to another area or connect it or modify it somehow. That's a pretty handy button here. Of course, we know we've looked at the machine button. I don't do much with the views. I control the views with the plane and keeping everything on the same level here, just for simplicity. So let's go back to wireframe. We're going to start out with drawing a rectangle. We're going to represent our stock material that we're going to use. Let's say it's a 3 by 3, anchor to center. And watch your icon. Now a couple things here. Look at the left up here in this window. It says select a base point. So Mastercam kind of prompts you on what you're looking for to do. And the icon, the mouse, changes when it gets close to something it can snap on or connect to. And I'm going to put that in the middle. And then I'm going to select the green circle checkbox in this little drop-down window that popped up. That's good.
I have all kinds of boxes on my thing. How do I take them off?
You gotta wait till Christmas. Oh, okay, scroll out. Window the whole thing. Window, all that, yeah. Okay. Click. Delete. Button on the keyboard. Alright, let's try this. You're in the middle of of some sort of routine, so escape a couple times. There, okay, now click. Okay, now window everything. There you go. Click. Delete. There. Okay, now zoom back in a little bit and draw your 3x3.
So,
Rectangle. Up, rectangle. Type in 3. Next line 3. And
anchor center.
unclick and click it again. Anchor to center. Unclick and click it again. And move towards the center of your target.
Okay.
And when it changes, click. Now zoom in. I think it's there. Did you click?
No, I couldn't.
No, no click.
And then click OK.
And zoom in. Where's that?